I hope you are able to see the screen and hear my voice. Yes or no? School is starting in offline mode. Yes or no? Good morning. Uh, just now I got the message that school is starting. Uh, have you received the message from 6th? That is day after tomorrow.
Sir, is it sure?
Today in our commerce department group, it is just now circulated. So they will also inform you. Consent form was asked from you. So I think it is under discussion. So that's a final thing. Okay, we are starting offline for 11th, but whether just like 12th, online, offline, both will be there or not, that instruction will be shared with you. So how many of you have given consent form?
So, sir, is it sure that from day after tomorrow only because we are not aware?
Uh, just now, actually, I got the message. Should I read out that message? Okay, so I'm reading that message. Uh, actually, uh, this message was informed to the teachers. Okay, आपको बाद में पता चलेगा. Mm, from 5th of February, we are starting with live classes in school for 11th. 5th, today is 3rd, I think, right? So I'm repeating the line from 5th of February. We are starting with live classes in school for class 11th. So from day after tomorrow, live classes for 11th will be started. कल यू विल गेट दिस मैसेज. ये तो सिर्फ टीचर के ग्रुप में अब इंफॉर्मेशन आई है. ओके, एंड वी विल सर्कुलेट द टाइम टेबल फॉर द सेम सून. इट मीन्स आपको जल्द ही मैसेज मिलेगा अबाउट दिस थिंग. किसी को बताना मत, मैंने बताया है आपको. ओके, सो दैट्स गुड. डे आफ्टर टुमारो से लाइव भी कुछ बच्चों से मुलाकात होगी. दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. I hope you have started preparing for the art integration project. Okay, so jaldi finish kar do. It will not take more than 2 or 3 hours. Uh, okay, and I am yet to circulate, or I am yet to uh, send message in Google Classroom regarding submission of this art integration. So surely today I will, and if I forget, then any of you can remind me to create an assignment in Google Classroom for submission of art integration activity. So let us finish this question number 6. Following are the balance sheets extracted from the books of Narayan on 31st March 20. Narayan's capital is liability. Narayan's drawings is to be deducted from capital. So I will put two dots in capital. So it is to be deducted liability side. Furniture is your asset. Bank overdraft is your liability. Creditors is your liability. Premises are your assets, its property. Opening stock, trading debit. Debtors, asset. Rent from tenants is your income. Indirect income, profit and loss account, credit side. देखो, this trial balance is comparatively uh, challenging because debit and credit is not given separately. देखो, ट्रायल बैलेंस टोटल नहीं किया गया है. डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट इज नॉट गिवन सेपरेटली, मिक्स दे दिया गया है. ओके, सो बी केयरफुल. रेंट फ्रॉम टेनेंट्स, इट मीन्स हमें तो इनकम हो रही है. देन परचेज इज डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंस है, इट विल बी इन trading debit, then sales will be shown in trading credit, sales return, so I will put a dot in sales, we will minus in trading credit. Now discount debit and credit. Debit means it is our expense, P&L debit, and discount credit means it is our income, P&L credit. इंश्योरेंस कुछ बोला नहीं है तो जनरली इंश्योरेंस एक्सपेंस होता है, P&L डेबिट, क्योंकि हम इंश्योरेंस कंपनी नहीं है, वी पे। सैलरीज, देखो सैलरीज पेड या रिसीव बोला नहीं है, देखो वी आर बिजनेसमैन, तो वी अज्यूम दैट ये सैलरीज एक्सपेंस है, वी आर बिजनेसमैन एंड वी मस्ट हैव पेड सैलरीज, अपने आप को मालिक मानना है। तो जनरल एक्सपेंस एंड सैलरीज बोथ विल कम इन P&L डेबिट. Then we have commission debit. It means it is our expense. We have paid profit and loss account debit. Carriage on purchases is the direct expense. It is carriage inward. So trading debit. If it is on sales, then P&L debit. Bad debts written off is our expense. P&L debit. And now we go through the adjustments. So closing stock at cost was 2,600,000 and net realizable value. Please note, net realizable value means market value minus cost of sale. वो सेल करने के लिए कुछ खर्च करना पड़ेगा, मे बी ब्रोकरेज, मे बी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्ज. तो market value and net realizable value are almost same and it is 2,05,000. So which one should be taken? Whichever is lower should be taken. So ignore these 2,05,000. So trading account credit side, balance sheet asset side, two effects of closing stock. Then we have depreciate business premise by 3,000 and furniture by 2,500 directly. Amount is given, तो calculation करना नहीं है. Put a dot in business premises and also put a dot in furniture. Furniture is in third item. Then we have make a provision of 5% on debtors for doubtful debts. So in debtors, I will put a dot. Where are my debtors? Third last. So provision for doubtful debts. So we minus from debtors in asset side and we show in profit and loss account debit side. Now carry forward 2000 for unexpired insurance. Unexpired means prepaid insurance. Year is not yet expired, it is paid for the next year. So prepaid we minus from the expense in P&L debit side and it is our asset. So in insurance, I will put one dot. Okay. Then we have outstanding salary. It's very easy. We add to that expense, that is salary in P&L debit, and it is our liability. So I need to put a dot in salaries. Okay. And now we can easily complete this question. So let us prepare the format. It is in the books of Narayan. So here we go. In the books of Mr. Narayan, trading account for the year ending 31st March 2020. We will prepare the format. Ideally, 2 lines would be better. Sometimes to show adjustment, that is plus or minus. and we will extend these lines further. So how many of you have given consent form and willing to come to school day after tomorrow? Good. Akshat. Ansh is saying yes. Okay, good. Urja, Kalp. Now situations are comparatively under control. So what I can say that now risk factors are comparatively limited, but we need to take precaution. And after P&L, we also need to prepare the balance sheet, and this one is for balance sheet. Okay, so and she will get information about this. Okay, I thought you must be knowing, so I asked you. Okay, now let's start. Capital 3 lakhs and there are two adjustments. So in balance sheet, don't forget to write liabilities and assets. So we have capital 3 lakhs inner column. Then drawings 50,000. So I will minus drawings 50,000. So it is 2 lakh 50,000. And then there will be another adjustment of profit or loss. Then furniture 26,000 asset side. So we have furniture of 25,000. I need to deduct depreciation. Then bank overdraft 42,000. Overdraft is your liability. So 42,000. Then creditors 1,38,000. So I have written creditors as well. Then business premises 2 lakhs. There is one adjustment. It is your asset. So business premises 2 lakhs inner column. Question is very easy and I like this chapter final accounts. Then opening stock 2 lakh 20,000 trading debit to opening stock outer column 2 lakh 20,000. Then debtors, there is one adjustment 1 lakh 80,000 in the balance sheet will show debtors 1 lakh 80,000. I hope you are solving with me. Let me know if you find speed is high. Then rent from tenants 10,000. It is our income. So here I will write by rent received. It is my income. Leave one line for gross profit 10,000 and purchases are 11 lakhs. There is no adjustment. Straight away you can write in outer column to purchases 11 lakhs. Lakhs के भी comma करोगे तो that would be better in totaling. Then we have sales 15 lakhs. There is one adjustment. So I will write by sales inner column 15 lakhs and then I have sales return 20,000 will deduct from sales. So sales return 20,000. So 14 lakhs 80,000 in outer column. Then we have discount debit 16,000, PNL debit side. It is discount allowed, and that is 16,000. Next we have discount credit. It is income means received 20,000. So 20,000 PNL credit by discount received. Then insurance 20,000. There is one adjustment. So to insurance inner column 20,000. Then we have general expense 40,000. So to general expense 40,000. Then we have salaries with adjustment 90,000. So I'll write two salaries inner column 90,000, leave space, leave blank for adjustment. Then we have commission debit, commission paid 22,000. So I will write to commission paid 22,000. Then carriage inward है 18,000. So I will write to carriage inward 18,000. And finally we have bad debts 8,000. I'll write to bad debts 8,000. So with this we complete trial balance. अच्छा सुरेंद्र, आएगा मैसेज। ओके, अभी भूल जाओ कि मैंने कुछ आपको कहा है। ओके, हमारे ग्रुप में आया है तो आपके ग्रुप में आ जाएगा, डोंट वरी, टेंशन मत लो। ओके, देन वी हैव एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक। Two effects will give in closing stock. So I will write by closing stock, it is 2,06,000. So 200,600. Another effect, closing stock, asset side. So here I will write closing stock 200,600. Now it's a time for attendance. So others can focus on giving effect to adjustments, and on your screen you are able to see your name, and I will start taking attendance for today. Aditi, Akansha, Akshat, please mark your presence in chat box. So Akshat is present. Ananya, Ansh Chaudhary, Ansh Nanderia.
Present, sir.
Ansh Chaudhary is present. What about Ansh
Nain
Nanderia?
Nanderia.
Okay. Anuj Rathi, Bhavi Chauhan, Bhavi Doshi. Aditi, you are late. ठीक है. Uh, Anuj Rathi, Bhavi Chauhan, Bhavi Doshi, Dhruv Chawda, Bhavi Doshi is present. Harsh Jain, Heer Mayani, Himanshi, Hitanshi, Isha. Mark your presence if you are J- Janam, Janice, Kairav, Kalp. So Harsh is present, Kalp is present, Kaushal, Khushi, Kritika, Kush.
Present, sir.
Okay, Kaushal is present, Kritika and Kush. So by the way, Kush has become businessman. Okay, that's a good thing. Whatever passion you have, try to explore it now. Uh, Khushi is also present. Then Lavanya, Mahek, Mankirat, Manmit. So Mankirat, Manmit, Lavanya present. Then Paridhi, Parth, Priyanka, Pulkit, Sanket, Sayam. So Parth and
Sir, Thayyam
Priyanka,
present.
संयम प्रेजेंट एंड देखो
Yes,
ग्रुप
sir.
में 23 बच्चे थे अटेंडेंस आई तो 29 हो गए ये ठीक बात नहीं है ओके देन हाँ देखो हिमांशी लेट कमर्स ओके तो हिमांशी अभी व्हाई आर यू लेट गिव मी द रीजन शिवांश सिद्धार्थ सिद्धि सौम्या सुरेंद्र so Surendra is present then चलिए हिमांशी सिंह I am marking your presence. Network issue, strong reason. Then Urja, Vishwa, Vivek. Vishwa is regular. Urja is also regular. Tamanna is also present. Vivek, Vrinda, Yashraj, Yogesh. Arnav, Karishma, Bhavya. Arnav is also very regular. Karishma is also present. Okay. So, uh, total 26 present, but I am able to see 29. So, just check if anybody is present but not marked by me. Okay, so uh, let us focus on the question. So now we were referring to the adjustments. Second adjustment is depreciate business premise 3000 and furniture 2500. So business premises may say we will minus depreciation which is 3000. So 1,97,000 outer column and from furniture we will minus depreciation it is 2500 so 22,500 outer column and after this we have to record depreciation on P&L account debit side so to depreciation on premises 3000 and to depreciation on furniture 2500. So total in outer column 5500. So this completes our adjustment for depreciation. Next we have 5% provision for doubtful debts. So from debtors we will minus. So from debtors less 5% provision. So 18,000 ka half 9,000 and outer column 1,71,000. Another effect will be in profit and loss account debit side to provision for debtors or doubtful debts. It is 9,000. So this effect, this adjustment is done, and we'll focus on the next one. Unexpired insurance 2000, insurance से minus करो, asset side पर बताओ. तो from insurance we will minus prepaid insurance 2000. So outer column 18,000. Another effect, balance sheet asset side prepaid insurance 2000. Okay. And the final adjustment, outstanding salary 15,000. So we will add in salaries. Add outstanding means unpaid 15,000. So 1,05,000 outer column. And another effect, 15,000 outstanding salaries should be shown in liability side. That is also done. So I feel question is over. Yes, question is over, and you will have to close these accounts. So first we will close trading account 600, then here it will be 80 and 14 and 2 16. 16 lakh 18,600, and from this 16 80 600 we need to minus this 11 and 2 13 lakh 20,000 and 13 lakh 38,000. Three four two 600 I am getting 342 600. Let's see. Yes, gross profit. So to gross profit carried down. Now we will bring here by gross profit brought down 342 600. And now we will close P&L account. So it will be 642 में 30 ऐड करोगे तो it will be 3,72,000. So total of credit side is 372,600. नाउ उसमें से हम माइनस करेंगे डेबिट का टोटल 16, 18, 34, 74, then 127, 135, 140, 500, 149, 500. So it can be, आप भी कैलकुलेशन करिए. So 149,100 is the net profit which I have correctly received, obtained 149,100. And here we will write to net profit carried down, and this net profit will be added. So net profit for current year, we will add in capital 149,100. So 399,100. And now आप एसेट साइड को टोटल करो, मैं लायबिलिटी साइड को टोटल करता हूँ, एंड ये इक्वल होने चाहिए. सो 138, 180, 195, 195 तो and 399, 594, 100. I have correctly obtained this total 594, 100. चलो एसेट साइड का टोटल बताओ, क्या आपको सेम मिल रहा है कि नहीं?
सेम है.
Okay, 594, 100. So with this, we complete this question, and you must have. Hello.
फर्नीचर में 23,500 है.
हाँ सर, आपने 22 डाला है.
25,000 में से 2,500 जाएगा तो 22,500 ही होगा ना. चेक करो, 23,500 आना चाहिए इसमें.
सर 26,000 है फर्नीचर और माइनस 2,500 है.
अच्छा,
तो सर 23,500 होगा. हाँ सर.
ओके बराबर. तो मेरे हाँ दिखने में ऐसा हो गया. तो 26,000 यस, और ये 23. ओके. So sometimes our mind, sees something and understands something. So that's possible. Okay. So you must have observed that now our speed in solving the question is increasing, because gradually when you practice a lot, then we can solve this type of questions faster. Okay. So tomorrow again, one more question we will solve, and let's see, if the school starts then it's good. Actually right now in the school I have smaller screen, so I really need to manage so many things, plus net connection also gets loads sometime. But anyway, we are trying our level best. I'm also uploading the videos regularly on YouTube so that you can revise at your comfort. So how many of you are finding this chapter easy and interesting? हाँ लेंदी तो है, बट हमें वो नहीं डिसाइड करना है, बट आई फील दैट इट्स वेरी इजी एंड स्कोरिंग. ओके, सो चलिए, इफ यू गेट एनी मैसेज then that's good. Soon you will receive the message from the school. Okay, bye bye.